REPL is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend, gained 98.22%. This is Monday, the 20th of October 2025, post market session. Intraday high $10.29. We're going to find out why the stock has been showing a lot of strength. Okay, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that this strength is expected to remain in place up to Wednesday, the 22nd. And this squeeze momentum indicator on available on trading view, it's a free one. It's a free indicator. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, that's it here. Squeeze momentum indicator is saying that it's agreeing with this extrapolation that you should keep buying, but don't rely on that. It's saying here, from this indication, the colors of the crosses are gray, indicating that whichever direction we are looking at right now, yeah, you could still be buying it. But this is the daily chart. This is the daily chart. We'll still have a look at the 4-hour chart. So no projections to the upside currently. Before now, there were projections of 9.88, 11.94, 13.21. What did it print today? 10.29. Yeah, even as high as 12.83, 14.32, 15.25. These were in place as of the 21st of July. Okay, so price pressure momentums, the 10-day moving average is trending robustly. However, we have a negative second derivative indicating that selling pressure, the buying pressure is so poor, so poor, so poor, so poor. Yeah, not doing well. Is it improving? I think it's actually improving, but yeah, it's improving. Yeah, it seems it is improving. Okay, it is improving. Okay, it is improving. Let's reapply that of the 21-day moving average. Okay, so it's equally saying the same thing. Yeah, yeah, they're both trending, but they have the 21-day moving average is still, the derivatives are still negative because even with all of this trend that has been showing, it's not completely out of the woods yet. Yeah, especially on this daily chart, not completely. Derivatives are still, uh, yeah, they're still in the woods. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. The extrapolation is saying that we're going to have a contraction. It's already in place, so it's saying that it's going to continue all the way towards the 28th of October. No guarantee at all that that will be the case. Okay, everything here is robustly trending. Okay, so positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago are in profit right now. So let's reapply that squeeze momentum indicator and see what it's saying. Whether it's in consonance, it's in convergence with what we have here. Okay, yes, it's also saying the same thing as well. Yeah, if they're selling, yeah, it's going to it's indicating that if it's what they're doing, you can join them, but that's not a recommendation that you should do so. So the extrapolation is the squeeze momentum and these extrapolations, they are currently converging at the moment. Okay, so let's find out what's going on with REPL.
Replimune Group Inc., REPL, is experiencing a sharp upward surge in trading activity after announcing that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has formally accepted the resubmission of its Biologics License Application, BLA, for its lead therapy candidate RP1, designed for the treatment of advanced melanoma. This acceptance sets a clearer regulatory pathway for the company and has immediately ignited strong bullish sentiment across retail and institutional communities. The FDA's acceptance follows the prior complete response letter that triggered a major sell off earlier this year. With the BLA now officially back on track, traders view this as a critical turning point, potentially paving the way for approval if the agency's concerns have been adequately addressed. Community and market chatter. Price target buzz. Traders and analysts on platforms like StockTwits and X, formerly Twitter, are discussing potential price target upgrades, with several calling for a rebound toward the $10 to $12 range if momentum sustains. Some bullish voices are even speculating on higher targets, citing the FDA acceptance as a validation signal that significantly de risks the regulatory path for RP1. Short squeeze speculation. Given the elevated short interest that built up during REPL's earlier sell off, the current rally has fueled short squeeze chatter. Many retail investors believe the acceptance could trigger forced covering, amplifying the upside if volume remains elevated through the week. Sector comparisons. REPL's rally is also being compared to other oncology and gene therapy names that saw major recoveries after similar FDA milestones. Some traders are drawing parallels with stocks like Sarepta Therapeutics and Immunocore Holdings, where regulatory turnarounds catalyzed sharp multi day moves. Key points of debate: potential dilution. Despite optimism, some community members are cautious about the possibility of a capital raise. With the stock rebounding, REPL could use the opportunity to strengthen its balance sheet ahead of commercialization or additional trial expansions. Regulatory timelines. Investors are closely watching for updates on the FDA's PDUFA dates and any potential advisory committee meetings, as these will provide a more concrete timeline for approval decisions. Broader biotech sentiment. The move comes amid a sector wide upswing, with risk appetite improving across small cap biotech tickers. Many see REPL as part of a larger momentum wave that could benefit multiple names tied to immuno-oncology and cell therapy. Bottom line, REPL's FDA BLA resubmission acceptance marks a major sentiment shift for a stock that was heavily sold off earlier this year. While bulls are positioning for a rebound and potential short squeeze, bears remain cautious about future dilution and the need for a flawless regulatory follow through. With strong trading volumes and heightened social buzz, REPL has quickly become one of the most closely watched tickers in the biotech space this week.
Okay, so this is what's going on. Yeah, it looks like it's quite a liquid market. If these diverse range of orders or open orders is anything to go by, it looks like, yeah, especially in this post-market session. Yeah, but let's see whether they are expecting even higher prices, even beyond the ones we've seen already: 8.97, 9.08, 9.3, 9.3. Yeah, we've seen 10.29 already. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on right now. So just have a look and see what you make of REPL. And thank you very much for watching this video.